Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the materials. All right, I want to have a quick review of some past questions, UI and UNN posting past questions. Okay, I want us to look at some UI and UNN posting past questions. Now, like I always say in my videos, please, if these universities are not your prospective universities, please, that should not discourage you from watching the video to the end. Universities always have similar questions. They have similar questions, so please make sure you watch to the end and get the knowledge that you find in this video. We are taking today's questions from UI and UNN. All right, let's start with UNN, University of Nigeria, Soccer. Okay, the first one we have here is on consonant sounds. And the first one is vision. The word vision, the S in vision is underlined. All right, and now how do you pronounce this word vision? Do not pronounce it as vision. All right, it's not vision, it's vision. The man saw a vision. The man saw a vision, not the man saw a vision. All right, so it's vision. That's the right pronunciation. The S in vision is pronounced J. All right, and now your question will be, and does it mean that every word that ends with S-I-O-N should have the J sound in the position of S? Okay, that this S will be pronounced as J and not as Sh. Is that what I am saying? No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that there are some words that contain the G sound in the position of S in words that end with S-I-O-N, and there are some words that contain the Sh sound in words that end with S-I-O-N. All right. So how do you know which word should you pronounce the S as G and which word should you pronounce the S as G? Now this is a trick. What you're going to do is to look at the letter that is before the S-I-O-N. If the letter that is before the S-I-O-N is a vowel letter, vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. If the letter that is before the S-I-O-N is a vowel letter, you're going to pronounce the S as J. So the word is decision. Decision. The word is erosion, not erosion. The word is the word is erosion, not erosion. All right, so just look at the letter that is before the S-I-O-N. If it's a vowel letter, is going to have the J sound. The S is gonna have the J sound. And if is a consonant letter, if you have a consonant letter before the S-I-O-N, the S is gonna have the sh sound. So that's the trick. That's how to know how to pronounce the S. If the S is prefaced by a vowel letter, okay, we're gonna pronounce the S in S-I-O-N as J. Is that understood? So that is it. That's how to identify the right sound for words that end with S-I-O-N. Okay, let's say the word mansion. Okay, the S is pronounced as sh because N prefaces S in the word. The word mission has S before S-I-O-N, so the S is pronounced sh. All right, so just look at the letter. Just look at the letter that is before the S-I-O-N. Okay, if it's vowel, the S is pronounced J, the sound, and if it's consonant, the S is pronounced sh, the sound. All right, so that's just how to identify it. Okay, all right, I already mentioned this word. All right, now we have vision. All right, so let's look at the first one. We have mention. I already mentioned it. Okay, during explanation, mention has sh sound in S-I-O-N. all right. Profession, should it have J or sh? Tell me, should it have sh or J? Of course it should have sh because before it you have S. Okay, session, should it have sh or J? It should have sh because of the S that prefaces and the S in S-I-O-N at the end. Precision, because we have I before S. All right, so option D is correct. Let's see the next one. All right, we have chassis. All right, chassis. Please check the comment section to see my video on how to identify ch letters that are pronounced as sh. You know that ch letters can be pronounced as sh or as ch. Like in church, the ch in church is pronounced as ch, and the ch in chassis is pronounced as sh. Please watch the video. All right, we have chassis. The ch in chassis is pronounced as sh, not as ch. It's not chassis, it's chassis. All right, let's look at the options. We have option A, cheap. The ch in cheap is pronounced ch, just like in church. Option B, we have cheat. Okay, the man cheated. Ch in cheat is pronounced ch. Okay, it's not correct. Option C, sharp. It has the same sound as chassis. Okay, sh in sharp, sh in chassis. All right, so option D, character, is incorrect. All right, I'll stop here today. In another video, I'll bring other skills, Post-UTME past questions. Like, I already have lots of Post-UTME past questions on this channel, lots of Post-UTME past questions on this channel, on YouTube, on TikTok, and on Facebook. I have lots of them. So please make sure you go and watch the videos, prepare well for your exam, and all I want is for you to succeed and get admission into your desired institution, studying your desired course, okay, and pursue your desired career. So please make sure you prepare well for your exam, and I wish you the best. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys again very soon in another video. Bye.